That's better.
Yeah.
I don't like that speed. Forced to be here.
Hey yo.
Yeah,
This building has been here for over 400 years without any silly accidents or happenings, and I hope your visit to here will be absolutely...
Not.
Oh God! I've accidentally summoned the flood! Get to high ground!
I was about to leave immediately. Yeah, high ground. I'm stuck. Should I die? Like, how do you even survive? I didn't even survive because I'm stuck.